Antic, the word that adds spice to language and behavior. Imagine a world where everyone behaved in a perfectly predictable manner. Sounds rather dull, doesn't it? Today, we're exploring a word that adds color and unpredictability to our language and behavior. Antic. Word type. Antic can function as both a noun and an adjective in English. As a noun, it's often used in its plural form, antics. As an adjective, it describes a particular type of behavior or appearance. Meaning, as a noun, antics refer to playful, silly, or outrageous behavior. When used as an adjective, antic describes something as grotesque, bizarre, or ludicrously odd. It often implies a sense of unpredictability or extravagance in behavior or appearance. Word history. The word antic has an interesting etymology. It comes from the Italian word antico, meaning ancient or antique. Originally, it referred to grotesque figures in Roman ruins, which were called obra antica or ancient work. Over time, its meaning shifted to describe any bizarre or fantastic figure, and eventually it came to be associated with strange or ludicrous behavior. Antonyms. Some antonyms for antic include serious, solemn, grave, sedate, and composed. These words represent the opposite of the playful, outrageous nature that antic embodies. Synonyms. Synonyms for antic include playful, mischievous, frolicsome, waggish, impish, and zany. When used to describe appearance or style, words like grotesque, fantastic, or absurd can be synonymous with antic. Examples used in sentences. Let's look at some examples of how to use antic in sentences. As a noun. The children's antics in the backyard kept the entire neighborhood entertained. As an adjective, the antic architecture of the theme park attracted visitors from all over the world. In a more formal context, the politician's antic behavior during the debate was widely criticized as unprofessional. In literature, Shakespeare often used antic disposition as a plot device, most famously in Hamlet. Common errors in use. One common mistake is confusing antic with antique. While they share etymological roots, their meanings are quite different in modern English. Antique refers to old or ancient items, while antic relates to behavior or appearance. Another error is using antic solely to describe childish behavior. While it can certainly apply to children's playfulness, it's equally applicable to adults and can describe a wide range of unconventional behaviors or appearances. Lastly, some learners mistakenly use antic as a verb. Remember, it's either a noun or an adjective, but never a verb in standard English. Understanding and correctly using words like antic can significantly enhance your vocabulary and help you achieve a higher band score in IELTS. It allows you to describe behavior and appearances with precision and flair, demonstrating a nuanced grasp of the English language. Remember, the key to mastering such vocabulary is not just knowing the definition, but understanding its various uses, connotations, and the context in which it's most appropriate. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using antic and other advanced vocabulary with confidence and accuracy.